This video covers the IGCSE Biology Objective 10.1.10 on the 2025 CAIE syllabus to explain ways to achieve active immunity. So let's talk about what that is. We can see some examples here, but basically, if you recall, we said that active immunity is the production of antibodies by one's own immune system as defense against a pathogen. Now, this can be in one of two ways. You can either get active immunity by being exposed to a particular infection or through receiving a vaccination, and we'll talk in more detail about both of those in another video. But let's just talk about the production of antibodies and how that happens. Now, you don't have to memorize this diagram, but it's just good to know the process. So the first thing that we're going to have happen is that the antigen shape, which is on whatever pathogen, is going to be distinguished by the lymphocyte. The lymphocyte is then going to become activated, and it's going to do two things when it becomes activated. One, it's going to produce antibodies that are complementary to that specific antigen at the antigen binding sites of those antibodies. And then it's also going to produce a memory cell that's going to keep the antigen shape within the immune system so that if there is future exposure to this same pathogen with this same antigen, now the immune system doesn't have to go through the process of being activated and identifying and all of these things. It can immediately start, the memory cell can immediately start to replicate, and those memory cells will immediately start to produce antibodies, which can then prevent an infection from happening.